Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. Today, I will show you how to make this shirt for your baby alive doll or any 12-inch doll. I'm including this free pattern, which you will find down below in the description. In order for me to continue to offer these free patterns, I just ask that you watch this whole video through and some of the ads. This way, I get paid through YouTube and you get free patterns. It's a win-win for everyone. Let's get started. Go ahead and print and cut your free pattern. Cut out your material. Put right sides together and pin it. If you're using a see-through material with designs on it, you will want to use a solid color fabric for the inner layer. Put right sides together and pin it. Take it to the sewing machine. Sew 1/8 of an inch from the edge, and it's okay to go a little more than 1/8 of an inch. Go down the back, around the neckline, and up the back. Next, we'll sew the arms. We want to start here, go around the curve, and stop. Repeat for the other side, and stop. If you've seen my other videos, you will notice this pattern is similar, but the instructions are a little different. So you want to make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss any of these steps. Clip your curves around the neck and each arm. Before we turn it inside out, we will fold it up 1/4 of an inch. I find it easier to do this part now. I'll start to fold up one side of the fabric 1/4 of an inch, and I'll double check my measurements and press. Flip it over, fold up 1/4 of an inch, making sure to line up with the other side, then press. Next, we will do the back of the shirt, but this time we have to fold up 1/4 of an inch for the front and the back all at once, being one side is closed. Press. Repeat for the other side. If you want to do the hem after you turn the shirt inside out, you can. It's all a matter of what works for you. I prefer to do it now before I turn it inside out. You want to start with pushing the back of the shirt and pull it through. I'm using the back end of an old paintbrush to push the material through. You may use what you like. Make sure it's dull, not pointy. Repeat for the other side. Press it. Make sure your side seams are all pushed out, as well as any corners. I'll use the back end of my paintbrush to help push out the ends. I'll do the rest of the ironing off camera. All right, take it to the sewing machine and sew straight across at each end. You do not need a back stitch when sewing down the hem, as we will lock it in place when we sew the side seam. Grab the back of the shirt, fold it over, line up the bottoms and the side seams, and pin it. Repeat for the other side. Take it to the sewing machine and sew a 1/4 inch from the edge on each side. We need to secure the side seams, so we will do a back stitch in the beginning and at the end. After sewing on each side, I went ahead and attached the Velcro off camera. I attached one on the inside and one on the outside. And if you don't want to use Velcro, you could use snaps. We are done with this project, and as you can see, it's super easy and quick to make. I also made sure a child can easily dress their own doll. Happy child, happy parents. These bloomers go so well with the shirt. If you'd like to find that pattern, I'll list it down below in the description and at the end of this video. And if you're interested in these leggings, you can also find that video down below as well as at the end of this video. I'd love to see what you can do with this pattern, so be sure to tag your creation with Lelesdesigns 1 on Instagram, or if you like, you can send me a photo and I'll post it on my photo gallery on my website. You'll find my email down below where you can send your photos. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.